What I wish I knew when my hiccups wouldn't quit. Instead of squeezing a lemon, simple science, smarter tricks. Ready? Hiccoughs, aka hiccups, are involuntary spasms of the diaphragm. They snap your vocal cords shut and make that hic sound. Common triggers: eating too fast, carbonated drinks, sudden temperature changes, alcohol, emotional excitement. Most hiccups are harmless and last minutes to a couple of hours. If they hang around longer than 48 hours, that's prolonged. Over a month is chronic and needs medical attention. Types: simple short bouts, singlet hiccups that come in clusters, rare long-term hiccups tied to nerve or metabolic issues, home remedies that often work. Hold your breath for 10-20 seconds, sip cold water slowly, swallow a teaspoon of sugar. Paper bag breathing, gentle, steady breaths. What not to do: don't force extreme breath holding. Avoid risky maneuvers passed around online. Warning signs: severe chest pain, trouble breathing, vomiting, weight loss, hiccups lasting days. If home fixes fail and persist over 48 hours, or you see those signs, see a doctor. Quick action: try one home fix, wait a minute, then try another. If nothing works, call your doc. Hiccup-free day incoming.